Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how to make this ground beef casserole which has fried vegetables inside and a delicious cream sauce on top. It's called moussaka. I'm sure you've heard of it from your favorite Greek movie. Now this recipe was my yaya Olga's. She used to make this at the restaurant and everybody used to love it because it's just so delicious. It's very basic, but you will just give it one try and fall in love. Now if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below because I upload every other day quick and easy recipes and they always have a unique twist to them. Now let's get started. Starting off by slicing my eggplant, and these are Japanese eggplant. They have a thinner skin, which I prefer. Slice them about a 1/4 inch thick along with the zucchini and potatoes. Fry all of your vegetables up evenly on both sides, as well as the potatoes, which I'm going to be deep frying. Use a little bit of oil for the eggplant because it does tend to suck it up like a sponge. For the meat sauce, I have here a pound of ground beef and I'm going to be frying this up with some onions along with some salt and pepper, garlic powder, and oregano. And off to the side, I'm going to be boiling a few bay leaves in about a cup of water, and I'm going to be using this juice of the bay leaves to season the meat as well. This was a secret from my yaya Olga. It just gives it an exceptional taste. Now once the ground beef is nice and crispy all over, I'm going to be adding a jar of marinara sauce and all of that bay leaf water that I had simmering for about 10 minutes. Allow this to simmer for a few more minutes to make sure all of the flavors incorporate, and then we're gonna start our cream sauce. For the cream sauce, I'm adding about 6 cups of whole milk. To this side, I'm adding 2 heaping spoonfuls of cornstarch and some cold milk, and this is what's gonna thicken the sauce. Now once your milk is starting to simmer, I'm adding about a cup of Parmesan cheese and the cornstarch mixture along with 2 tablespoons of butter, and continue to whisk this for about 5 minutes until your sauce thickens. Once the sauce is nice and creamy, I'm going to put it off to the side, and now we're going to be able to build our moussaka. I have here a 13 by 9 inch pan, and I'm going to be adding my first layer, which is the potatoes. I seasoned these with some salt once they were finished frying, and I'm going to layer these into the pan evenly. Next goes in that eggplant and the zucchini. The meat sauce is then going to get poured all over the top and gently pressed in to get into all of the crevices and seal up all those vegetables. Then lastly goes in all of that delicious cream sauce, carefully pour it on top, and this does thicken up quite a bit as it cools. Once everything is evenly added, I'm going to pop it into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. Once it's all bubbling all over the sides, remove it from the oven. Your moussaka is ready. Once this moussaka cools down a bit, it will firm up, but you know me, I had to dig right in to try. This is just a phenomenal dish. It's almost as good as my yaya's. The flavors all blend together so well. This is such a treat. I know it's not the most healthiest thing in the world, but you just have to have one bite and it will bring back all of those memories and make you feel like you're in Greece. There is just nothing else that compares. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. Try whipping it up someday for your family and I guarantee that they will never forget. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you won't miss out on more of my unique quick and easy recipes. Thank you guys so much for watching.